Who doesn't love peanut butter cookies or a slice of cheesecake? Today, we're going to show you how to get the best of both worlds in a single dessert. Hi.
Hello and welcome. So imagine sinking your teeth into that rich, creamy cheesecake that has an enjoyable peanut butter cookie crust. It's a match made in heaven, and today we are excited to share with you our recipe for the ultimate peanut butter lover's dream cheesecake.
Any peanut butter lovers will want to try this dish because I am a peanut butter lover.
So as we normally do, we will be splitting the recipe in half, but in the description, we will have the full recipe for you. So while preparing the crust, which we're going to do here in a little bit, I have the oven preheating. And as we all know, we all struggle to make crust sometimes, and sometimes it's really not that hard. All I'm doing is using Betty Crocker peanut butter cookie mix. What did you say?
My favorite.
Oh, I didn't hear you. Okay. So we're going to be using, to split the recipe in half, 2 mini 4-inch springform pans. And I have them sprayed with oil and lined with parchment paper just so it unsticks a lot easier.
I didn't know he was making bite size.
That's more than bite size, man.
Not for me.
But like I said, I have half of a Betty Crocker peanut butter cookie mix, and it's just prepared as instructed. And we're just going to put them into the springform pans and raise the edges up to make a simple crust. So I'll let you do that.
All right.
Do you know how to do it?
Yeah, I'm not doing that. I will screw this up royally, or I will eat it, one or the other. So,
Okay, so let's put this here. We have all the ingredients for the filling, but we'll get to that in a minute. So I'm just gonna, I don't know if, did I get, not. To avoid your spoon from sticking, you can spray it with some cooking spray first.
over the sink.
Well, I don't want to spray it into the batter.
I almost spray it on the floor.
No, not on the floor.
I'll sue you for a slip and fall. Can you do that to your spouse?
I don't know.
Leave a comment below.
No, don't leave a comment below.
It's just curious. It's not like I'm actually going to do it.
So just like any crust, you just want to press it up against the sides for just a little bit. So when it cooks, we'll have a little bit of a crust.
The crust.
And this makes for a great crust. It'll be crispy and chewy at the same time.
Oh, so delicious.
Enjoyable.
Delectable.
Sweetness.
Savory. I don't know, does savory apply to desserts?
Tell him what the definition of savory is.
Salty. Sweet and salty. Sweet and savory. Man, just give me some good food.
And as you can see, I only used like a fourth of the crust mix.
Boop.
It will make a lot. So maybe we'll make some extra peanut butter cookies. 1 or 2.
Mm-hmm.
But don't be afraid to get it in there.
Use as much as you like. If you like crust or a thick crust with the cheesecake, put it in there. If you like a thin one, use a little bit.
You know, I like, with pies and cheesecake, I like the crust part of it.
She doesn't like the pie. She only likes the crust.
I like the pie too, but I don't know. Something about the crust, like my favorite pie. What's your favorite pie?
Oh, don't put me on the spot.
What's your favorite type of pie?
I mean, there were Oreo pie. We got the Hershey's chocolate pie that Burger King used to sell. That was so good when I worked there. That's where my paycheck went. Peanut butter pie, apple pie, pecan pie, preheated oven.
See, and my favorite pie is a custard pie. Just something simple.
Ugh.
We don't like the same things, but we do like this dish.
I don't like custard.
All right, so that's it. That's all we're going to use.
Banana cream pie.
Banana cream pie is good. Coconut cream pie.
Coconut cream pie.
He's still going with pies.
You got me started. I don't like custard pie. So anyways, all right.
So we're going to pop these in the oven, bake it as instructed. I think it's like 12 to 14 minutes. So we're going to just make a firm, flavorful base, and then we'll go through the recipe for the word.
Cheesecake.
Yeah, cheesecake.
Filling and $3.50.
All right, so the cookie crust is in the oven. Once it's done baking, you want to make sure that it's cooled completely. You don't want to put a cold topping, filling. I have no words today. I'm so sorry.
You don't want to have a melty cheesecake on a warm cookie crust. Unless you do. You do you.
Because what we're not doing traditional cheesecake. This is something simple, easy, no bake cheesecake filling. So we're going to go through the ingredients with you. We have them all right here, and it's not a whole lot of stuff either. So take it away.
All right. So half a block of cream cheese, softened, room temperature. Again, we're cutting everything in half because this is half the recipe. So 1/4 cup Splenda, or your choice of sweetener, or just regular plain sugar, up to you. Half a tablespoon of vanilla extract.
Here's a splash of vanilla.
Have anybody tasted this by itself?
No.
It's disappointing. 1 package of cheesecake flavored pudding mix.
Half the package of cheesecake flavored pudding mix.
We're doing half. It's you do one, I do half. Half a cup of milk and half a container of Cool Whip. That's it for those.
That's it. Simple ingredients, not too much. And I'm gonna put his muscles to the test today, because he's got to whip this with that whisk.
All right, with the best whisk in the world in hand, we can go ahead and get started.
All right, so first things first, we're going to mix the milk and the pudding mix together until thickened.
All right. Here you go, my dear.
A milk and pudding mix.
Oh. Husbands listen. We really do.
And you said I don't listen to you. I don't think we listen to each other after all these years, but hey.
Leave a comment. Do you listen to your spouse? All right. Here we go. Thank you. Stir that up. Nice and good. Get all the clumps out. I mean, there ain't gonna be no clumps. It's a pudding mix, but
He'll have to get the clumps out with the cream cheese. That's the hard part.
okay.
It's thickened enough?
Looks like it to me.
Okay, sweetener. We're using Splenda.
All right. Milk clumps.
Half a teaspoon of vanilla. I didn't mix that out. Just put a splash. Very little bit. That should be good.
Making me work for it today.
And then now you're going to put the cream cheese in. It's already thick, and you're going to add cream cheese. Let's see if he can do this, or if I need to get the hand mixer out. It's softened enough, Tom?
Yeah, why not?
Okay. Do, 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 do.
Do, 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 do.
Copyright.
Do,
Do, do, do.
Forgot about copyright.
It's all mixed up.
Give me a second.
It looks good.
It does look good.
So this is just an easy, no-bake cheesecake.
Another great thing about this whisk, I've never done this before until now. You can flatten it to get the stuff out that's in the middle. You can't do that with a normal whisk.
No.
I'm not even sponsored by these people, and I love this whisk. Okay, we're good there.
So now we're gonna just fold or mix in the Cool Whip. Make sure not to over whip it.
So if I'm folding, I need to use that then, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
We got about half a container of Cool Whip. You want the rest of it?
No, I don't want to look like a pig on the tube. I don't need my friends making fun of me. Can't they make fun of me already?
So yeah, just mix it till it's all incorporated. And what we're gonna do is while the crust is baking, we'll just stick this in the fridge until the crust is completely cooled, and then we will fill it and wrap everything up for you.
Wrap it up.
I could just eat that just like
Just like that. Just like that.
that. Could be a nice little snack.
Hot summer day, nice and cool. All right, so with it all mixed up and everything, that's your consistency right there.
And then it's gonna set in the fridge as well once we get it put into the little springform pans.
All right. Oh, that's good. You want to taste it?
I know it's good.
I'm a bad influence.
All right, so you gonna show the camera? Good job.
Yeah, I didn't do this number. Anyways, all right, so out of the oven and cooled.
So all we're gonna do now is take our filling, which is kind of hard to see, but take our filling and fill them up. So go for it.
Mm-hmm.
And once you fill them up, you want to cover them with foil and just stick them in the fridge for 4 hours or until they're set.
Evenly distribute
The cheesecake filling.
the cheesecake filling.
Your voice changed. That's
Did it?
why I did what I did.
Oh,
Foil.
oh,
It's good stuff.
oh, we can't have that hanging off like that.
Yeah, you made a mess.
Indubitably.
So pop these in the fridge for 4 hours or more, and then you'll have you some cheesecake.
With peanut butter cookie crust. Or, like us, make them ahead and pull them out for the video. All right. The unwrapping, the unveiling of the cheesecake. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
You can take it off the...
Oh, yeah. Look at that cheesecake right there.
It's a little mini cheesecake.
Perfectly bite-sized. All right, now it's time for the best part. Taste test. Here we go.
Don't eat the paper.
Oh, parchment paper. Look at that.
That cookie is so good.
It is so chewy. It is so, oh, it's delicious.
The soft cookie crust. Peanut butter cookie crust.
With easy cheesecake. No bake.
Yep. So if you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious dessert.
Till next time.
Bye.